Have you ever wondered how to correctly say where something is? Do you say, the book is in the table, or the book is on the table? These tiny words can completely change the meaning of your sentence. Today, let's master the most useful prepositions of place with simple, easy to understand examples. Let's begin. A preposition of place is a word that tells us where someone or something is located. For example, the book is on the table, the keys are in the bag, the ball is under the chair. The words on, in, and under tell us the location. Number 1. In. We use in when something is inside a place, container, or area. For example, the ball is in the box. The keys are in the bag. The girl is in the classroom. Remember, in means inside. Number 2. On. We use on when something is touching a surface. For example, the book is on the table. The cup is on the desk. There is a picture on the wall. On means touching a surface. Number 3. Under. Under means something is below another thing. For example, the cat is under the table. My shoes are under the bed. The ball is under the chair. Number 4. Above. Above means at a higher position than something. For example, the clock is above the door. The picture is above the sofa. So remember, above means higher. Number 5. Below. Below means at a lower position. For example, the shelf is below the window. The shoes are below the chair. Below means lower. Next is next to. Next to means beside or very close to something. For example, the lamp is next to the bed. Sarah is sitting next to John. Next to means beside. Number 7. Between. We use between when something is in the middle of two people or things. For example, the ball is between the two boxes. The school is between the bank and the library. Between means in the middle of two things. Number 8. Behind. Behind means at the back of something. For example, the boy is behind the tree. The car is behind the house. The bag is behind the chair. Number 9. In front of. The opposite of behind is in front of. It means something is ahead of another thing. For example, the car is in front of the house. The teacher is standing in front of the students. Number 10. Near. Near means close to something. For example, the school is near my house. There is a cafe near the station. My office is near the bank. Near means close to. Number 11. Opposite. Opposite means facing something from the other side. For example, the bank is opposite the supermarket. The school is opposite the park. Opposite means facing from the other side. Number 12. Inside. Inside means within something. For example, the children are inside the classroom. My keys are inside the drawer. Inside means within something. Number 13. Outside. Outside means not inside. For example, the children are playing outside the house. The car is parked outside the building. Outside means not inside. Number 14. Over. Over can mean directly above something, especially when something is moving or covering a space. For example, the plane is flying over the city. There is a bridge over the river. The lamp hangs over the table. Number 15. Among. Among means surrounded by or in the middle of several people or things. For example, she is sitting among her friends. The house is hidden among the trees. Among means in the middle of many. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Look at the picture. Where is the ball? Take a few seconds before checking the answer. The correct answer is in the box. Question 2. Where is the cat? Look carefully and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is under the table. Question 3. Where is the lamp? Take a few seconds to decide. The correct answer is next to the bed. Question 4. Where is the ball? Look at its position carefully. The correct answer is between the boxes. Here's the last question. Where is the car? Take a moment and choose your answer. The correct answer is in front of the house. Great job. Today, you learned some of the most useful prepositions of place. Try using them in your everyday English. Look around you and describe where things are. For example, my phone is on the table. My bag is under the chair. My books are in my room. Practice a few sentences every day, and these prepositions will become natural. If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next lesson.